Greetings United States President Barack Obama. This is Anonymous. You have been a naughty, naughty boy. You have surely taught us all the lesson that people's faith in their leaders is a fallacy. Congratulations. You promised many things to the people of this nation, yet have chosen to sell out to the highest bidder, the organized criminal class. You supported the hijacking of $700 billion that the American taxpayers are now responsible for, through tax slavery. Recently, you have attempted to raise the debt ceiling, helping your buddies in the Federal Reserve make more money, and continuing the U.S. war machine in Libya, Pakistan, Afghanistan and many other nations. It appears that sponsoring the murder of innocent men, women and children is in your best interest. You choose to continue to raise an Orwellian police state, where you are a self-determined Caesar. You have sold out America. You have sold out the world. You have sold out humanity. As a worldwide community, we have been watching you. More importantly, your actions. You truly have our attention. We, the people, request your immediate resignation, the closure of the Federal Reserve, the closure of Guantanamo Bay, as well as the closure of all FEMA camps. You have officially disconnected yourself from the earth that gave you life, the earth that gave you consciousness, the consciousness that connects all free human beings on the planet. You have been given an opportunity to do something good and real. You could have gone down in the history books for 1,000 years as a human who brought the world together, rather than a monster that you aspire to be. You are on notice. We are Anonymous. We are Legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. United as one. Divided by zero. Expect us.